Bleach! I'm so hyped to open a Bleach box. Like, I waited so long to actually have like some choice to which Bleach box I want to open, because there was a time when it was only like one for almost a year. Now we have a few of them and I bought one of them and we're gonna see it together. Bankai! Okay, yeah, that was maybe weird. Yeah, boy. Get off me, this play. Oh my god, it's probably... Is it magnetic? It is I'm orgasming right now. It is magnetic box. Such a cool design. I really love these boxes. Like this, I don't want to throw away. It's amazing design. It's freaking magnetic. You can even use for something else. I don't know, store your makeup in it. Oh, we have... I'm still Bleach. He's still Bleach. Can you see it? He's still Bleach. That's amazing. I don't know nothing about this one. Literally nothing. There's not that much packs, but they feel kinda thick, so there are probably a few cards in there, like not a 5, maybe more. Or they're thick cards. Only 10 packs. That's not much. And I already can see the shine. And oh my god, I need to be... Oh, those are thick. Thick cards. Okay. Thick cards incoming, guys. Look, why do I have those freaking children, I mean child. Thank you, ultra rare. It actually feels nice. The back is alright. It's just, I don't know, I've seen it a few times on Aliexpress, just thick cards. It's not something that we are familiar with, I guess. I don't say they're particularly bad, but it's just weird. And I don't know if storing them in sleeves and like binders will work the same way it works with just a thin card. The shine is nice, the quality is nice, I have nothing to complain. Okay, only 3 cards in each pack. That would be interesting. Oh god, I forgot. I want to open one pack carefully. Okay, like those are characters that I more like to see. It's not up there, but it's better than some freaking children. Okay. It's not getting... Okay, what do we have? An ultra rare. Okay, hey, that's a nice one. Ultra rares looks nice. Also, SSR is also looking hella great, but it's just not the characters that I want to see, I guess. Okay, let's try to open this one carefully. Come on. I can't. This one is fucked. Who the fuck is it? I honestly can't remember this fucker. Whatever. I got 2 of them in the same pack! I mean, it is a possibility, but fuck me. Why it's... Of all the characters, why him? I don't remember him. I don't know who this is. That's cool. That's cool. They are so freaking thick. I can't open them carefully. Who do we have? Again, a double. Oh my god, we are already starting with the doubles. That's not a double, but I just don't remember you. Sorry. It's... Yes! Okay. First of all, another rarity, that's a CP. Second of all, very nice character. That's cool. Okay, the difference between ultra rare and a CP is that CP has more colors. And also it has Bleach logo on it. I mean, this one looks hella awesome. That's lame. That's a cool ultra rare. But I mean, those are awesome. But then I have like all the doubles of SSR. And that's just stupid. It would be okay if this box has more cards in a pack. But now, look, it's just freaking annoying. Oh, okay, different character that I clearly don't remember. Hey, okay, that's nice. That's a cool one, Arankar. This one is from current season, airing season. That's nice. I don't mind. This one is stupid. Okay, whatever, I take it. Ooh, nice. We got some waifu. Apache. Can we get the third one, right? Because they're like together. Are they together? I think they're together. I mean, fighting together, not in the other way together. This one is also from airings. I don't fucking know. Oh, let's go. I skipped one, but doesn't matter. Yes. Someone who I really wanted to see. That's one of my favorite. The fuck is this? That's one of my favorite characters. Come on, give me Ichigo. Ichigo would be great. Why do I get a fucking Don Kanonji? Like, I don't want the Don Kanonji. This is a double. Oh yeah, and Seipei. I actually really love this character because he's lazy and I'm also lazy. That's not the only reason why I love this character, but when I watched it the first time, Bleach, it was a character that I fell in love with at the first glance. And the last pack, we have some child again. Ooh, and new rarities. Hey, actually looks amazing. God damn, that's some nice shine to it. Holy shit. It's just sad that it's not... Ooh, do they have different backs? Not only this one. Huh. Oh, they do, by the way. The normal SR have green, the other rarities have blue, and this one has that. It's a cool character, but I would prefer Ichigo. But whatever. I mean, I got at least a few cards that I like. The ultra rares were fire. Definitely. Like, that's the shit. The SSR, however, is shit. Not on the quality wise. Quality is fine, but I mean the character choice and amount of doubles, I didn't like it that much. But anyway, that's some Bleach opening for you guys. If you want to support the channel, please do subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you in another one. Web Traveler.